Welcome, everybody, to ES Wrap as we look at the wrap of the ES for Tuesday, June 3rd. We can see that as we go through the day, and we'll do a replay here. We had a little bit of a swing down, followed by good momentum pressure up into a couple order blocks, providing minimal resistance before we had a strong break based on news that came out on 10 from the Jolt numbers. Stopping off again at an order block and providing resistance just below 6,000. Now let's do a replay on the day. Now, taking a look through the Asia hours, you can see that there was a little bit of action here at 7 o'clock, 1900 hours, creating a new order block and then downward push. You can see this also in the oscillations, several different, a good consistent oscillation down until right around the 1 o'clock hour where you're starting to get a minor divergence building up. And we'll go ahead and hit play here and review the day. As you can see here through the 1 o'clock hour, based on the 3-minute here, let me pause it, go back to the 5-minute. Whoops, hit the wrong button. Replay still works fine. As you can see here, again, a little bit of oscillation up, creating that basis at 1 o'clock in the morning. And then from there, going into the German market opening up, you still have this nice order block down up here. You still got some red. You can see the next order block is way down here at 5,800. There's a little bit of push down right at 3 o'clock hours. The 3 o'clock opens up. Again, considering some downward pressure. You've got finally, got rid of the divergence that was there, trending down, coming back up to what was the low, pushing back through that, pushing up. Now we're getting some positive upward momentum. We're going to see a little bit of resistance here in this order block. But from there afterwards, it's going to find some good momentum. And this now becomes the support area for the day at 3 o'clock or the 4 o'clock time. From there, you have several different good entries that are building up. As you can see, we've got a positive support. We went through one resistance here. Now we're heading towards this next resistance layer here at 8 o'clock. And really, we get a little minor bounce. Come down here, comes down to the smart trail, providing an excellent opportunity to enter again with your support down here. Remember, all trades could lose. Getting some positive momentum here. Wicking up. We know there's 10 o'clock news. There's the 10 o'clock news right to the smart trail. And then it's off to the races for the rest of the day. Pretty consistent day. The news was positive on Jolt entries, but overall, it was a good, clean entry here on the smart trail. You're in the green here. You had a divergence here. As you can see, it was printed here. You had good support here that it couldn't break. Pretty much a textbook entry for the day. Rides up. Get some resistance at this point here. Obviously, there's a 6,000 is another incremental or psychological point that had some resistance. As you can see, during the 2 o'clock, right before the 3 o'clock power hour, there's a little bit of pushback down, minor sell-off. But you can, if you were to do the fibs, you would see that you weren't anywhere close to a 50% fib. That was the wrong button. It happens to the best of us. But if you do the fibs, you can see that you're nowhere near from the support up, 272, 707 if you're going to look at the other way, right? That's actually a good bounce. That would have been another good entry up. You've now turned here. So as you close out the day and look towards the afternoon or the evening, I wouldn't be surprised to see a bit of a push down as we go through the day. But really, a good flip from the Asia market into the London market, the London market going into the US market was just a positive ride up all day. Pretty good, quiet day. Hopefully you enjoy this. Hopefully you guys had a good day trading. Remember, there's always risk. You can lose everything, but hey, good entry.